Hello and welcome back to Thomas Talks. Hopefully you guys are having a good day and enjoying yourself during quarantine. I've got another unboxing video, it drops on the floor, for yourself today, and it is on the Louis Vuitton pocket organiser, so stay tuned for this video. To start off, we get I've had to unbox it and rebox it, so this is kind of a second unboxing, or third unboxing. However, as you can see, it's the traditional Louis Vuitton in the yellowish kind of colour, yellow stroke amber kind of colour. Got the blue ribbon, so I usually peel it off like that. Some people peel it around the little bowl, but I kind of like pulling it off at the side there. And we've got the drawer style going there. I'll pull out the little LV and it's in its little Louis Vuitton dust bag, again just your typical with the printed Louis Vuitton font going across there. And if I lift this out, and as you can see there, we've got the Louis Vuitton logo in the kind of bigger print. We've got little flowers symmetrically going across. This is the yellow and it's a Taigarama, if I hope I pronounced that right, that's T-A-I-G-A. And this was new for spring summer 2019. Some of you being aware they've got the new orange and blue, if you've seen that in my previous video. And I got this just really because it's got quite a bit of versatility. If you can see in there, it zooms in, we've got Louis Vuitton made in France, down at the bottom there. You've got room for your cards there, a couple of cards there, and you can keep some notes and maybe cards inside there, and a little bit of storage in the back, so it's quite versatile and it folds up quite neatly. For reference, the height is 3.15 inches by 4.3 inches. And then the width is 0.39 inches if you're really caring about that, but once you pack that out, you can imagine it'll be a little bit wider. And overall, I really wanted something in this kind of yellow piece. I tried to get the keep all, but just couldn't manage, and I managed to pick up one of these in Edinburgh, so really grateful I managed to get something from the collection in the bright yellow that I wanted. It is finished in the black leather trim that you can see going across. As I mentioned, this has got the Taiga leather with the coated canvas, and then on the side of it there, it's got the cowhide leather trim going across the edges. And if anybody's wondering, the pocket organiser currently is £240 in the UK, and the code is M30318 if you're looking for this. I just checked online and currently it is unavailable, sadly. So I just want to say thanks very much for watching my video on the pocket organiser. If you've got any questions about it, please comment below. I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. I'm trying to get my subscriber count up, so I'd really appreciate that, as I said, if you would subscribe to Thomas Talks. And yeah, check me out at the Lux Scott on Instagram, I'll leave that below. And have a great day and stay safe. Thanks for watching. Ciao!